Hello Gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets, and today's video is my year of savings. I have $100 in prop money and some saving challenges that I am saving for throughout the year. So let's get started. Alright, so we are finishing this Friday. So the Airy Friday of 2025. So the Friday of, oh, what did I take that out? The Friday, this last Friday in August is the 29th. So we are going to get 25, 6, 7, 8, 9. So $29. And I am adding this to my extra payment of debt. So let's add all this together. So let's go ahead and shade this in. And sorry if you can hear any background noise. It's a beautiful day here in Ohio, and I got the windows open, and the breeze is coming through. Oh, it just feels nice and crisp. Yes. So let's see that we got 1, 8, 15, 22, 29. So this should be $75. Yes. Okay, let's see if I can count this all up. 25. Okay, let's see. So we have 20, 40, 60, 65, 67, 68, 69, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. There you go. Woo! That took that out of me. So $75, yes. So let me go back to, because I want to see how much in total. So if you watch my debt video, my debt binder video, so where did I write it down at? Oh, on this sticky note. So I was able to put, so $456 plus, what was that? So let's go back here, plus the 75. Gems. Oh my gosh. Let me get myself together. For this month, I was able to save $534 to go towards an extra payment of debt for September. Wowzers. That is freaking awesome. That is awesome. That is, oh my goodness. I think that would get me that definitely would get me down under the 2000s. That is crazy. And I started with 2677. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is not that video. Okay. So I'm gonna make the extra payment and then share with you guys what is the balance. Okay. Let's get back on track, T. Get back on track. Okay. I don't know what it is about, like, debt. I used to like hate paying debt. Like, I mean, I love collecting it, obviously. But paying it back, no. Who enjoys it? But now I am finding that, I don't know, like, that excitement to see those numbers go from like up here to down here. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm getting that excitement and an enjoyment and seeing my progress. Like, yeah, girl, pat yourself on the back. Pat yourself on the back. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. That coffee. That pumpkin spice, what are they putting in it? Okay, so this is saving for my son's senior year. Rolling an 8-sided die. This is created by Norella's Budgets. And we is putting a whopping $4 for this last week. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Or do I have $1 in here? We could just keep it like that. Let's see how much we got so far. So we got 150, 70, 70, 50, what? 150, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So $107. I should get those ones. Nah. So $177. Yes. $177 so far. That is cool. I think we're supposed to have a senior meeting with the school pretty soon so they can tell us like how much we gotta pay. How much we owe. I know so far for his school fees I am already up to $85, and it's only been not even a full week of school yet. Yeah. So, oh, I don't need a dice for this one. So this one is created by Save with Judy. Each icon is $5. So the last icon is going to be colored in for $5. Good old watermelon. Oh my goodness, I messed that up. All right, so $5 is going in. All right, so now I am going to skip the Christmas real quick because I already added numbers together of how much I want to put into my, say, 2025 and 2025. And that is going towards taxes for next year. So we got 13, 16, 14, so $43. 40, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so $43. Let's get those colored in. So let's do this color here. And then let's do this. I should have done. Oh well. Oh well. I think I'd be putting too much thought into it. And then this one. And that is the 43. Perfect. And let's see. Let's counter up. Let's counter up. Let's counter up. So far we have 1,000, 100, 200, 240, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So we have $256, $1,256. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Okay, so now the rest of it we are going to put into Christmas. So let's get that out the way. This is created by Miss Chief Managed Budgets and Champagne's Corner. So what we have left? 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, we do. $19. And I usually put 20, so that's not bad. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So let's add 19 into the calculator. Oh, let's put that over here. So 19. And we are on the reindeers. Oh Lord, everything is flying. The reindeers that's taking me out. Where is you at, reindeer? Where are you? Are you hiding now? There you go. Okay. Let's see. As you can see, the reindeers are big ballers. All right. Let's see. Let's get the chip out. Let's go here. Are you serious? Can we see other reindeers? I mean, 9. You just want to keep showing up. So 9. So minus 9. Okay. What's the high? I need to see what's the highest. because we only got $10. All right. Let's see. I think 10 is the highest. All right, guys, ready? Whew, 5, yes. So minus 5. Okay, we're going to stop there because no sorry. So let's go and see 5. We can go here. And let's cross off a 5. Perfect. So that is, what was it, $19? That's $19 put into Christmas. And I am happy about that because, like I said, I think I'm getting right on target with Christmas. Because in this binder, my goal is $500 and I'm already at $382. So, why did I put that there? I mean, okay, I'm thinking out loud. So let me see where I am now for this month. I have 100, 200, 300, 2, 4, 6, 80, 90, 95, 97, 98, 99, 101. So we got $401. Oh, $401. And all I need is 500 in this binder. I love that. All right. And I will update that tracker in a minute. And that is it, gems. That is my year of savings. I am so happy about the extra payment towards debt and all the progress I have made throughout this binder. And I also want to thank each and every one of you guys for the love and support that you are showing my channel. Thank you, and thank you. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We on the budget, and guess what? That is free. We love free. And if you already subscribed, share with a friend, and remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.